Hi, fourth grade. Today we are on lesson 31 of module 3. And friends, we've been working on word problems today, and so we are going to continue to do that. It says solve the following problems. You'll see there are just two. Draw tape diagrams to help you solve. Identify if the group size or the number of groups is unknown. Friends, don't forget to do this step. Okay, that's what we've been practicing today. So as I do these word problems, we are using our read, draw, and write method. I'm going to go ahead and write this down to remind myself to do all of those steps. So let's go ahead and read our problem. 572 cars were parked in a parking garage. The same number of cars was parked on each floor. If there were 4 floors, how many cars were parked on each floor? So friends, I'm going to go ahead and underline the important math numbers. I see there are 572 cars were parked. The same number of cars were on each floor. If there were 4 floors, how many, I'm going to put a box around my question, how many cars were parked on each floor? So already I am trying to decide, am I identifying the group size or the number of groups that's unknown? Well, I can see that there were 4 floors. That tells me my number of groups. So the unknown part would be the group size. How many were on each floor? Okay, so now, my friends, I need to solve. My read part I did by underlining. Now we're going to draw. And today we were practicing with drawing a tape diagram. So I am going to draw a tape diagram. And I'm going to think, well, I know my total. And my total was right here, 572 cars. Okay. What else do I know, friends? I know there are 4 floors. So I'm going to have 4 groups in my tape diagram. Now, the thing is, I need to figure out what goes in each one of those boxes, and that's where I'm going to solve and divide. So I'm going to set up my problem by doing my long division. 572 divided by those 4 floors of groups. I'm going to go ahead and do my division. When it comes to my writing section, I need to make sure I reword this question. How many cars were parked on each floor? There were, I'm going to leave a blank, cars, don't forget that label, parked on each floor. Now, my friends, don't forget this identify step. And we already said that it was the group size was unknown. The group size is unknown. So we have a lot of steps today. Your job today in finishing your exit ticket is to finish number 1. I've got it all set up for you. Then independently, you are going to solve number 2. It says 356 kilograms of flour were packed into sacks holding 2 kilograms each. How many sacks were packed? Ooh, I'll give you a little hint. It's a little bit different than this one when we're asking this question. What is unknown, the group size or the number of groups? So go ahead and finish your exit ticket today and submit it when you are finished.